What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're doing a YouTube video on $11 fidget spinner versus $5 fidget spinner versus $2 fidget spinner versus $10 fidget spinner. Starting now. So we get all these in camera. So here's every single one. So supply time length. Looks like that one's $5 one, $5. It's starting to slow down. Oh, it stopped. He's out. Oh, we got a chai here. Out, out, and this one won. So now it's based on speed. That's this one. Starting with this one. I don't know if you can hear that, but pretty fast. It sounds a bit slower, so slower. Let's do this one. Pretty fast. Now the Batman one. Okay, so Batman is first. So here's first. This is first. This is second, third, fourth. Now based on style, like outside. No, he's, of course, cool, but this one's a winner, of course, because it's Batman. And also these other ones, I can't do this. Batman one. This is really, these are big trend. Anyways, back to this. In spinning motion. Not really cool. If you look at it sideways, you can see white, but not really cool. Okay, it's green at the edges. That's nice. Okay. There's no hair color. Ooh, it has a nice ring to it. So if you can see that. Okay, time for this one. That's the winner. We all know who the winner is. The one we should know. First, second, third. Just kidding, not third. This is third. And this is fourth. Now, I've always wanted to try this. To spin these fidget spinners like together. Okay, now let's do the spinner. Yeah, I don't know what to do anymore in this is all. Yeah. I want to end this video with all these things spinning. So that's my intro. Whoopsie. Looks like that's not going to happen right now. Everyone put in the comments #break. Please. Let's do it. Come on, it's for a kid. They used to just say. Come on, it's for a kid. Seriously, actually put fidget spinner break. Okay, so let's redo that. And intro, or outro. 3, 4, 5.